Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you what's in the box for DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! Now, before I open the box, let's quickly take a look at the box itself. As you can see, we have a standard combo. This will be important later, and I will show you the difference between the standard combo and the normal combo. And as you can see here, we have some information about the camera itself, and yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing much to it. So let's open it and let's see what's inside. And now we have some paperwork. I'm not going to open it really because I don't really care. The most important thing is that there isn't really a quick guide inside. There is boring paperwork, unfortunately. And of course we have the main thing we want, and that being the camera itself. Now, I'm not sure if by default this is inside the etui or not, probably not, but let's open it and let's see what's inside. Of course, the very first thing that you notice is that we do have a built-in etui, which is pretty cool. And now let's see what we have here. So, we do have a battery handler. I'm going to show this later. We have our beautiful camera with a little protection plastic right here. And in additional pocket, we have a USB-C cable and a wrist wrap. So let's go over each of them one by one. I'm going to put this on side for now, because we don't really need that. So let's begin. First we have the wrist wrapper. This is pretty basic. It has some pretty basic functionality. You can attach it to your camera if you want to. Nothing revolutionary. Then we have USB-C cable. It's important to know that it's USB-C from both sides. This might be useful to you, may not, but it is worth noting that the cable itself is not very long, as you can see on the recording. And of course we have the camera itself and the plug to the camera. Why do we need that? Well, this is because by default the charging port is at the very bottom, and let's say that you want to put your camera like this and you want to, for example, record at, I don't know, time I wanted to say time loop and timestamp of something, or like some quick montage, and you need to have this charged up, and you can't really do that using this. And luckily for us, in the standard combo we do have this neat thing that we can attach to our camera like this, and now we can put it right here, though it is not very stable, as you can see. But now we do have, instead of USB charging port being at the bottom, we have it right here, so that's pretty nice. And also we do have a 1/4 of an inch screw, which we can screw, for example, a little stand, which unfortunately isn't in the package itself. So I'm not going to really open the camera. I could simply turn it off, and as you can see, it doesn't really work because we have the gimbal clamp, which is this little plastic here. We can easily take it off, and as you can see, it's once again, it's nothing revolutionary, but we do have a little magnet if you want to, but it's not very stable, so it will probably fall off. And only now we can activate our camera and record whatever we have here. So, oh, actually I didn't want to do that. I wanted to turn off the recording. So yeah, this is how the box itself is presented. And be careful when you actually put down. I would advise you to always put the little protection here, just so the camera won't really break itself. Now I'm going to align everything we see here. So we have the camera itself, the wrapper, the USB cable, and of course lastly our little Osmo thing here, and I'm keeping this for now. And as you can see, it is not very much, actually also paperwork if you count it, but I don't really do. And what I want to mention is that this is the standard combo, and don't get me wrong, if you are just randomly scrolling through their site, you will notice something else, and I actually had a very wrong expectations of what I will find in the box. And this is because on their site, I'm on official DJI.com Osmo Pocket site, we have some advertisements, and of course this is a very big site, but for example we have a fill light with a little 13 on it, and as you can see it should be able to be attachable with that magnet I showed you before, and we have a nice light. Also on other promotional material, which I have right here, because it's not a looped video, so I could just save it, we have a little stand which we could screw on our little charger. And this is basically all the possible like additional content, I might say, to this camera, but this is actually the only thing we can receive. So as you can see, the difference here is pretty big. Oh, I actually didn't want to do that. Can I restore it? Oh, huh. Well, never mind. The difference here is pretty big, and the difference in price is also pretty big, because as I said before, we have a standard combo by default, and if you want to have everything else, we need to pay more for creator combo, or we can pay additionally on some other accessories like the battery handle, which we actually have by default, the fill light, the black mist filter, and some other cool stuff like this. So don't have way too much expectations, because this is the all you will see in the box. You won't see the handle, the stand, sorry, and you won't see the fill light, unfortunately. But yeah, this is how the box contents of the DJI Osmo Pocket present itself. Make sure to leave a comment if you want to learn more about that camera, leave a like, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!